We are going to use, during this summer swap, the Church Center app to send you scheduling notifications, to let you know what your schedule is, what area you're scheduled into. You can reply back to us in that. So you're going to search for it in the App Store. Go into the search bar and search for Church Center app. And there it is. Log it in. Download it. And then open it up. And so for the first time that you open it up, it's going to say get started. You are going to use your location. And when you do that, you can either, type in Ransom Church or it'll find it. And then you do, yes, this is my church. Then once you're in, you're going to tap on that bell. And in that bell, you'll see a gear icon. And in there, it'll say Team and Schedule at the very top. So click on Team and Schedule. Use your preferred app as Church Center. So click on that one. And then it'll have all these notifications. You want all of these on because this is how we're going to communicate to you. And it will allow you to communicate back. So then you can go back. Next, you're going to click on the little circle, which is your icon. And you'll see, like for this Sunday, I'm scheduled for Ransom Kids. So I click into there. I'm scheduled for 11 o'clock and 8 a.m. at check-ins. So this is how you know where you'll be and what hour. Say I have to decline. So I click on decline, and then I hit submit that response, and I type it in. So maybe my child is sick, or my car broke down, something of that nature. Please, let us know. Don't just hit decline. And then once you've typed it in, hit the decline. And then you can see it removed me from that. And I'll get an email saying that you have declined. Let me just add that please only decline if it is an emergency. Summer Swap operates based on the commitments you gave us. Either you did the online form or you did a paper form. When too many summer swappers just decide later, hey, I no longer want to be there, then we end up closing rooms, turning families away, and Jesus is just not glorified. So if you've made a commitment, please make that commitment, but there are understandable emergencies where you can decline. Communicating this way helps me see if I can find somebody else. But please keep the commitment. We love you guys.